At first glance, the Lito X1 looks like another compact DJI drone. Lightweight, foldable, under 249 grams, nothing revolutionary, right? But once you start digging deeper, you realize this is not just another beginner drone. It's DJI quietly reshaping its lineup. The Lito X1 packs a 1/1.3-inch 48-megapixel sensor, capable of shooting 4K video up to 100 frames per second, along with raw photos and advanced color profiles like D-Log. That already sounds impressive, but here's where things get interesting. It also includes LiDAR-assisted navigation and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, something you usually expect in higher-end drones. So now the question becomes, why is a budget-friendly drone doing premium things? Let's break it down in a real-world way, not just numbers, but what those numbers mean when you actually fly. The Lito X1 comes with a 48-megapixel camera built on a relatively large sensor for this class. That means better low-light shots, cleaner details, and more flexibility when editing photos or videos. It shoots 4K video up to 100 frames per second, which is perfect for smooth, slow-motion footage. Flight time is rated around 36 minutes, though realistically you'll get closer to 25 minutes depending on conditions. It includes 42 gigabytes of built-in storage, so even if you forget your SD card, you're still ready to shoot. Speed tops out at around 18 meters per second, which keeps it agile enough for cinematic shots and tracking moving subjects. And yes, it includes all the smart features you expect: active track, master shots, quick shots, and intelligent return to home. In simple words, this drone feels like something you grow into, not something you outgrow. Now let's talk about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, because this is where things get complicated. The Mini 5 Pro still holds a major advantage: a 1-inch sensor, which delivers noticeably better image quality, especially in dynamic range and professional color grading. It also offers 4K at 120 frames per second, advanced color modes, and a rotating gimbal for true vertical shooting, which creators love for social media. Transmission range and overall imaging power are still slightly ahead. So yes, the Mini 5 Pro is still more pro. But here's the twist: it's also much more expensive. Price, where everything changes. This is the moment everything shifts. The DJI Lito X1 comes in at around £369, roughly $450, while the DJI Mini 5 Pro sits much higher, close to £689 or about $900 depending on the bundle. That's nearly double the price for the Mini 5 Pro, and that's where things get interesting. The conversation stops being about which drone is better on paper. Instead, it turns into a much more practical question. Are you really getting twice the value for twice the money? Because when a drone like the Lito X1 delivers so much for less, it forces you to rethink what premium actually means.